What's happening, guys? So I'm actually stood up in my truck right now. I've just finished work and I'm gonna do the vlog on the JD gyms in Bolton. Now, I've been to this one before. It's a 24-hour JD gyms. I could have gone to 2 other JD gyms tonight. The Blackpool one I've never been to, but I delivered directly opposite the Blackpool one and I could have gone to it, but it would have meant that I would have had more jobs to do tomorrow. Whereas going to the Bolton one now, having finished all my runs, it means I've got nothing to do tomorrow apart from take this truck back to work. So I just made it easy on myself like that. I could have gone to the Blackburn one, but I've done the vlog on that anyway. But yeah, I could have gone to the Blackpool or Blackburn one, but I thought I've been to the Bolton one before, but I might as well show you guys that, and then I'll do the Blackpool one maybe Sunday. I might do it when I'm not working. It might be an extra. But yeah, I did really want to go into the Blackpool one. I don't think it's a 24-hour one though, but not that it really matters. But this one, it's not a bad gym. Would I say it's better than the Blackburn one? Probably not. And it's definitely not better than the Wigan one. As I said, the Wigan one, so far for me, is the best one I've been to in Lancashire, and it's probably one of the best ones I've been to. Apparently, it's the biggest one, which I kind of can believe because of how spacious the main area is, and then you've got the weights in the back and everything like that. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna nip over to Asda because Asda's on the way to walk into the JD gyms from where I'm parked. So I'm gonna go to Asda, get some gummy bears or something to munch on before I work out, because to be honest I didn't eat much today because I was just too busy just getting on with my work. But yeah, anyways, see you guys in the gym. Catch you in a bit. Obviously the good thing about going in at this time, because it's 20 to 8 now, which means it's not going to be as busy as it would be during the hours of 4:30 till 7:30, maybe 7:30 pushing it. Because all the people that finished work that went into the gym at peak time, they're all leaving now. You know what I mean? So it's not going to be empty, but it's going to be more. I won't have to feel like I won't put my phone there because somebody's training there kind of thing. I won't have to worry about that as much, but yeah, it's a good time to go. When it comes to evening times, probably this time might be an alright time to go. So yeah, that's the perks of finishing work as late as I have tonight. So yeah, see you guys. So this is what I got. It's like marshmallow, mallow and mash. It's vegan. It's raspberry marshmallows coated in dark chocolate. Never tried it before. I expected them to be a bit softer than this, but then I remembered it's a marshmallow. Got that. And I also got these, which are pretty nice. You can't see them in that view. Those. And then got these. Yeah, that's going to be my pre-workout. Because I just need something sweet right now before I can train. But the gym's just up here anyway, so yeah, see you later. just done in there. You know when you forget how bad something was, and it's not until you go back it's when you realise how bad it is. It's one of those. Obviously I've been to this gym before, but yeah, it's just not it, guys. It's not it. It's not the one. You know what I mean? It's this JD gyms and the Bradford one are the two worst ones I've been to. You know what I mean? The only reason why I'd say it's not, it's because obviously I went to the Livingston one. I've been to the Livingston one up in Edinburgh, and that one was bad, but only because of like you have to walk out of this room to go to that room to get to the next bit, and the connection was really bad. The connection was really bad up there. But these ones, the gym itself is alright. This gym I'm talking about now, the change rooms is horrendous. The layout, horrendous. Toilets, the one got one cubicle, horrendous. It's one of those where if you don't have a locker that's next to a bench, then good luck getting a bench, because no one might be taken. It's that kind of gym. It's just, I wish I could describe it in more detail. You might have to look up online the changing rooms of the JD Gyms Bolton, then you'll see what I'm talking about. But it's just, yeah, the changing rooms is the worst thing about this gym. But the showers itself, the power of the showers is actually quite good. But the best changing rooms I've been to of JD Gyms is the Manchester one. They have the best shower area and changing rooms. This one, worst changing rooms. Imagine. Yeah, it's let's put it this way. I was gonna go again in the morning, but I don't want to know. You know what I mean? It's just, I know obviously it's all about the gym itself, but you know what I mean? It's just like I could just go to another one. I'll go to another one instead, kind of thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's just not it. It's not a gym I'd be bothered coming back to. If any of you that go to JD Gyms, if you're out and about, out in Lancashire area or whatever, you're not missing out if you don't go to Bolton one. Let's put it that way. You're not missing out. You know what I mean? The best one in Lancashire still is the Wigan one, and that's meant to be the biggest one. Yeah, it's if you like me go to other JD Gyms on the regular, you understand what I mean about how bad the change rooms are in this one, because nothing is your own in terms of, like, you know, usually in any changing rooms of any JD Gyms, wherever you've got a locker, you've got a bench you can go to, but this one you don't. You'd have to take your things out, or take some things out and leave some things in, and then go to a bench. Otherwise you'd be just doing it from the floor, getting changed with your bag on the floor and everything like that. It's just horrendous. They could have done better than this. And the thing is, there was an exercise for less that was up here somewhere on this road that I'm on in Bolton, and I thought that is what was changing into JD Gyms, but they already built this JD Gyms, and that exercise for less building is something else now. Maybe if they'd have got that building, they might have had a better layout. Because this one wasn't built after an exercise for less. I don't know what it used to be before, but where exercise for less used to be is across the road, but I think back up there. But yeah, verdict, yeah, it's worst JD Gyms, one of the worst ones. Bradford one is the worst and the scruffiest. Batley one is quite scruffy as well. This one, a bit scruffy, but it's just the layout of the change rooms and everything like that. It's just, if you're coming here and you're not bothering having a shower because, I don't know, you might live nearby or whatever, then fair enough. But when it comes to the shower area and changing rooms, well, the shower area is not bad, it's the changing rooms. It's just the changing rooms. The shower area is actually decent, apart from you can't hook your towel anywhere apart from opposite your shower cubicle. Only JD Gyms I've been to so far that does that. You know what I mean? So anyways guys, thanks for checking out the vlog, and apologies for video recording in portrait. Because of this camera holder that I'm using that's attached to my phone, I can't get the angles in landscape unless I plonk it on top of something that's about my height or something. It's weird. I might have to show you guys what my tripod actually looks like. So I had to do it in portrait because I can get better angles because of how this tripod can position. So yeah, anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.